Are you tired of feeling overwhelmed by computer repairs? Let's take a deep breath and simplify the process. Today, we're diving into some essential best practices for professional computer repair that will make your life easier and keep your clients smiling. First up, always diagnose before you repair. Imagine jumping into fixing a problem without knowing what's wrong. It's a recipe for disaster. Take your time with diagnostic tools and don't hesitate to ask your clients detailed questions about the issues they're experiencing. This will help you pinpoint the problem accurately. Next, let's talk tools. Quality matters. Invest in a solid toolkit with precision screwdrivers, ESD-safe mats, and a dependable multimeter. Good tools not only make the job easier, but also build trust with your clients. They'll see you mean business. Now, we can't forget about data safety. Always back up clients' data before you do anything. It's our responsibility to protect their information. Make sure to get clear consent for any data wipes too. Transparency goes a long way in building trust. Documentation is key. Keep a detailed record of each repair, what the issue was, the steps you took, and the outcome. This isn't just for you, it helps maintain consistency and reliability in your work. By following these straightforward best practices, you'll level up your computer repair game. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more practical advice. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for tuning in.